Hi kids! Today we are going to learn the sound of letter T.
T is for tortoise, tata tortoise. T is for tambourine, tata tambourine. T is for tea, tata tea. T is for turtle, tata turtle. T is for tree, tata tree. T is for tail, tata tail. T is for tailor, tata tailor. T is for tent, tata tent. T is for tomato, tata tomato. T is for teacher, tata teacher. T is for telephone, tay telephone. T is for tyre, tata tyre. That's all for today. Subscribe our channel for the next amazing video and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.